How do you clear app cache on Android? Let's go, guys. It's simple and quick. You're going to tap here on the settings option. Go ahead and tap and this menu will open. In this menu on your phone, on your Android, scroll down and look for apps, okay? You'll find it here. In this case, the app is right here, so I'll tap on it. Now you'll see the list of apps. To clear the cache, you need to choose the app you want to clear. For example, if I want to clear Google Chrome, I tap on it. After tapping, I come to this page. On this page, I can scroll down a bit and I need to tap again on the storage option. Tap on storage. As you can see below, you'll find two options. One is to clear the data. In this case, it will erase all the app's data, okay? It even removes your login, settings, preferences, everything. Now, if you just want to clear the cache, meaning delete temporary files, so it won't erase your login accounts or any of your settings, you tap here on the clear cache option. I'm going to tap it. It's really simple and that's it. I've just cleared it here, okay? If you want to do this with other apps, just go back and choose a new app, okay? And follow the same steps. Go to the storage option and here you tap to clear it. I hope I helped. If I did, don't forget, help me out to subscribe to the channel.